I'm Tara with Simply Made Eats and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to learn how to make honey mustard dressing in two different ways. Whether you like sweet or spicy, this is the perfect recipe for you. Check this out. Doesn't that look delicious? The best thing about this salad dressing recipe is it's only 5 ingredients. It's perfect on salads and it's also really great to dunk those chicken fingers in. You guys are gonna love this one. Be sure to subscribe so we can keep cooking together and let's get to it. Okay, so for our ingredients for our sweet honey mustard recipe, we've got mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, honey, which I'm going with a local honey. If you guys can get your hands on local honey, do it. It's good for your allergies and it helps people locally. I'm also doing some lemon juice and paprika. Just a note on paprika, regular paprika is fine. I am using sweet paprika. Don't use smoked paprika. I think that's only good really like, I don't know, people probably have different opinions on this, but I like smoked paprika maybe like on ribs or something, but otherwise like that smoky flavor is really overpowering. So I really stay away from smoked paprika when I can. All right, so let's mix our ingredients together. Whisk it super good. And this is only gonna make serving for like enough, maybe 2 people, maybe 1 if it's me, because I love honey mustard. I'm gonna put that on everything. All right, so now we can do our taste test. That's so good. Honey mustard to me is like candy. Like it tastes so good. It can make even the worst food taste good. Like I hate to say that, but it's like if you get chicken tenders somewhere and they have good honey mustard, I don't even care what the chicken tenders taste like. I'll just dunk it in there. All right, so this is ready. This is our sweet version. All right, guys, so are you ready for our spicy variation? This is really difficult, so make sure you follow directions. I'm just kidding. All we're doing is adding a teaspoon to a tablespoon of Mike's hot honey. This stuff is like really hot. Like if you haven't tried it before, make sure you taste it first because it will like burn your tongue. I'm only putting a teaspoon in mine because I don't like super spicy, but if you want to go crazy, then just go ahead and add a tablespoon in. I'm like literally coughing because I just took a spoonful of this and ate it and it's so spicy. It will clear your sinuses. All right, so we're just adding our hot honey. This is really delicious. I'm actually gonna make a Brussels sprout salad to put this on today. And it's just like that tangy with the bacon and Brussels sprouts is so yummy. Like I said, you can do a little bit more if you want, if you like it really spicy, but I am just going with a teaspoon. All right, so we're finished. How easy was that? It's 2 different ways and it's so delicious. I really like to serve them in little glass bowls like this at the dinner table. Sometimes I'll make like crispy chicken with it, or we'll just have it on our salad. But I'm taking a taste with my finger. That's really appropriate. This is so good. So this is a spicy version. I love the sweet too. I won't put the Mike's honey in the kids' food because there's just no way. The kids just don't like that spicy. But for adults, it's really good. And it kind of just gives you like that little bit of a tang on the end of your tongue when you eat it. It's not like so spicy, but if you do go heavier with a tablespoon or so, your mouth will be burning. So thank you so much for watching. Today we learned how to make honey mustard in 2 ways. This is a super easy recipe. Make sure to follow me for more. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for cooking with me.